let's see how you can predict your hair transplant result post-procedure. There are mainly three factors which determine how you will look after your hair transplant result is fully seen around a year after your transplant. The first one is your present status. The second one is about your procedure and your doctor. The third one is how you take care of yourself after the transplant. So let's see all these three factors one by one. The first one, your present status. So it includes how many hairs have you lost, how much area needs to be covered by hair transplant. So if you are in the category of grade 2, grade 3 hair loss as compared to grade 6 or 7, then definitely the people who are having less hair loss will have better result after the hair transplant. The second thing which is more important is condition of your donor area. So it is this area from where hairs are taken and they are transplanted in the hair loss area. So if your donor area is good, that means you have good number and density of hair, your hair quality, your hair texture is good, that means you have more stronger roots, thicker hairs, then it is a good thing. So not only your result depend on how many hairs have you lost and how much area need to be covered, but it depends on how good is your donor area. Similarly, other areas like your beard or body hair also determine how you will have your post-transplant result. Now let's move to second factor, that is about your procedure and your surgeon. So there are many things during the hair transplant procedure which needs to be taken care of, like who is your doctor? Is he qualified to do your procedure? Does he during the planning, does he take care of your future hair loss as well? How he guides you about the future hair care, as well as if you required any further hair transplant maybe after 5-10 years or sometime later in the life, then will you be having good donor area at that time? So all these factors need to be taken care of. Apart from that, the good technology, good instruments, proper surgical technique and good technician team, as well as the sterility, that is the hygienic condition maintained during the procedure, are really important. If the transplant team is very experienced and they take care of your grafts well, they are handling them with very gently and without any trauma, then surely you will have good result. The third factor, which is about your post-transplant care. So you should follow all the instructions as well as guidelines which have been advised by your surgeon. Similarly, you should not forget to take medicines as advised, and for the period they have been advised by your doctor. This include not only the post-procedure pain medicines, antibiotic, but the supplements which have been advised for the maintenance period or till the time your hair growth is attained fully. If required, your doctor may advise you to undergo PRP sessions in the post-procedure period. So if you take care of all these factors, then definitely you will have good results. So lastly, I will say your hair transplant result depends on your present hair loss status, the condition of your donor area, your doctor's qualification, their technology they are using, the good the team and the proper handling of the grafts, as well as good post-operative care. So if all these conditions are taken care of, then definitely you will have very nice hair transplant result. Thank you.